Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix cannot add balance to Apple Wallet. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If you are facing this issue, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Simply go back, and number one is check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection or mobile data plan. Tap on the settings, tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a smooth or stable Wi-Fi connection and fix your problem. If you are using data plan, simply your data plan is available and signal strength is smooth and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check your Apple ID. Ensure you are signed in with the correct Apple ID and that it's verified. Tap on settings. Make sure your Apple ID is correct. If your Apple ID is not correct, simply sign out and again connect the verified Apple ID and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is check your restrictions. Tap on settings, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on allowed apps. You can see all apps are allowed. If wallet app is not allowed, simply allowed and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is check your iPhone update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, applying the solution number five. Solution number five is restart your iPhone. Simply tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on shutdown, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely reboot, turn off, turn on back and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check your bank's compatibility. Ensure your bank or card issuer supports Apple Pay. Number 7, check for software update. Ensure the wallet app is up to date. Open the App Store app and search Apple Wallet. If Apple Wallet update is pending or available, simply update the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone and fix all bugs. If solution number 7 is not working, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is reset Apple Pay. Remove card from Apple Pay and re-add again and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, contact Apple Support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Apple Support for further assistance to fix this issue. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix cannot add balance to Apple Wallet on iPhone, iPad and Apple Watch. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.